Hey guys, now remember my last video, but now I got a bunch of cards. I got Goldens too, bunch of cards. I also got ultra rares, like these Charizards. And I also have V-Stars. I'm not gonna show you them. Okay, today I'm gonna open this box. I accidentally ripped it a little. I can't wait. And we're gonna open the giant one. It's a bunch onion. I can't read it. So whatever it's called, let's just open it. Oh, there's a poster inside it. Look at this, guys. We got lucky and got a poster. It's heavy. There you go. And now time to open the cards. Can I just open the pack first? Then we'll open the small cards after the cards. Okay, small. Right now, let's just open the small cards first. Okay, so how do I open this? I don't think so. Okay, it's just showing now. I can't really just open this yet. Oh, they stay like this. Nice. We got a bunch of packs to open. Let's open the first pack. I mean, not pack. I got some partners next to me. They're opening mine. I actually opened it. Look. It totally makes the one. It's a different part. Yeah, this one's a spoiler thing. So. Weird. It's hard. Okay, this might take a while. I need scissors. Yep, I'll just get scissors. Nice, I have them. Okay, I won't cut the card. First pack is open. Oh my god. Oh, it was so close from cutting the card. Okay, 4 in the front. We might get a booster pack. This might be a booster one. Voldemort crown, then something. I can't read it, whatever it is. Upside down. I might rip it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got a V-Star again. 7 times damage. Ooh, man. That. Okay. This literally is. We got a rare candy for some reason. I don't know what it does. It says basic cards, I know. Starly. I already had this. It's the second egg. It's an Eggy Cube. We got a fishy heart thing, whatever it's called. And okay, I'm not looking at the rare this time. We got a shiny. That's a shiny. Okay, the final card. It's just a normal rare. It was nothing. Okay, time for the second pack. Still got a V-Star. Always have a V-Star. I'm just gonna show you the giant one in the end of the video. I'm so excited. I have a bunch of Pokemon cards. My followers coming tomorrow. They're burning. Whatever, I'll just use scissors and I don't brain. Yeah? the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now guys. If it's backwards, I'm gonna be mad. Backwards. I'm mad. Okay, from the front. Great ball. What's a great ball? It's like a ball. Graveler? Something? We got another rare candy. It's actually the same one. And we have 2 of these. Stick them here. We got a seal. I'm not uncommon. Yeah, it's enough. I don't think it's a rare is gonna come out because we already got a rare right here. Now look at these. We got this one. It looks like we're gonna get a rare. Oh man. I think we're gonna get a rare. Okay. So I'm not looking at this. Oh my god. This is not a rare, but it's just shiny. This might go to my pack. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this here. My rare ones right here. Then I'm just gonna put this in here. There, that's right there. I also have a few more rares. Yeah, this is shiny. Yay! I get to put it in my pack. Actually, I don't think so. The last one. I dropped a card. I'm trash. Wait a sec. Come back. Next pack. Hope it's rare. I keep forgetting. I was nearly cutting this Pokemon. Oh, I didn't look at that. I didn't look at. I'm mad. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I need that. Okay, we got a fire energy card. Oh man, it looks like a rare's gonna come. Yeah, we're not showing that. I'm not gonna show that. Looks like a weird shell. A machine that works for nothing. Put 2 Pokemons, each with 90 HP or less from this Pokemon card. It takes 90 HP. It's no use. I think we're gonna get a power. Nope. It's gonna be a noob one. Okay. I think this is gonna be a pack. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be a rare. Okay, I'm gonna put the last one here. My trash. The last one. Wait, that's not the last one. got it. It's an ultra rare. Wait, there's another card. Oh my. Ultra rare. Num 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 izzers? What does num 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 izzers attack do? 120. That's noob. Fourth pack. Hope it's a rare, hope it's a rare, hope it's a rare. Did I cut the Pokemon card? Oh my god. One, two, three, four. Oh my god, this is so bad. No. I don't think we're gonna get a shiny. And we got the same one. Again. It's not gonna be rare. It's not gonna be rare. I'm just gonna put the last card here so I don't look at it. It's not a rare. 20 damage. It looks creepy. Those look so cute. They're so adorable. Many bunny beans. Egg cute. What's an egg cute? The second card is a shiny. Good for me. Yeah. The last card is woohoo! Discard your hand and draw 7 cards. Oh my god. You may play one starter during this turn. 5th pack. The final pack in the game. Huh? I cut the card. Oh well. Well, I didn't cut the card. It was super close. It was like this. This close. I can't help that. Okay. I hope it's not a clown or something. I'm mad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. We got an ultra rare energy card. First card. It's an ultra rare. We got another ultra rare. Oh my god. It's starting off good. It's like a not rare. It has a tail, but does the butt have a tail and it has a face? The tail has a face. What is that? It looks so weird. Okay. The tail looks very weird. Okay, it's a clown. This was not my plan. Mr. Mime. It looks so ugly. Oh. Hi, Cutie Pie. I'm just gonna place the 2 cards that I'm now looking at here. It's not a rare. Okay, fine. It's a rare this time, I think. I got this many cards so far. So many. Bro, I'm not gonna hit you. The last card. Okay, this is the 3rd time I got this card. I have 3 of these cards now. Might trade them all. The last card. Ouch, it's not a rare. Okay, now it's time to show the big card. These are all the rares I got right now. Oh yeah. And now look at this. The cards. Let's see what's behind this one. Nothing. What's behind this one? Nothing. What's behind this one? Nothing. How dare these cards? What's behind this one? Nothing. Nothing behind any of these cards. Time to show the giant card. Guys, wait. I had a metal card to share with you guys. This one's a metal card. It's a gold metal card. See, guys? Oh no, it's stuck in video. Okay, it's a metal card. Yeah, it's a metal card. The final card is the onion. How do you say it? Okay, so it's a giant card. What's behind this one? Nothing. Yeah, these are the pieces. To play with it. It's the same, doesn't it? See you in my next video. I have more cards to share with you guys. I make Dirty Dash videos too. So, hope you like this video. Bye. Please tap on the description. Bye.